Hey beginning band, it's Mrs. Reese. This will be the second video submission that you will do for the online schooling. Most of what we're going to be doing with this is going to be the same exact thing you did last week, except the twist this week is that the time signature is going to be in 3/4 time instead of in 4/4 time. So instead of counting and clapping to 4, you're going to count and clap to 3. Here's the example on the document that will be uploaded to your assignment. Looks like this. Again, you're going to be doing all 8 measures. I'm only going to demonstrate 4 measures worth, keeping in mind that whenever I see a dotted half note, that means that gets 3 solid counts. So I'm looking at the first line, and if I try to count and clap this, just count and clap, it will sound like this. Oh, I didn't get my metronome ready. Hold that thought. You are more than welcome to count and clap. If you don't have an instrument, if you have your instrument and you prefer to play it in time, that's fine. You're going to set your metronome to 90 for this one. Metronome set for 90. Remember, our metronome is going to help us keep time. I'm going to leave the metronome on so we can still hear the beats going back and forth, but it's in 3. So keeping in mind only 3 counts per measure. If I'm looking at my example right here, it would be 1, ready, count and clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Remembering that my dotted half note gets 3 counts, so I clap on the first count and I pulse twice in front of me. For your example, it looks very similar. There are no rests, so I shouldn't see any hands coming apart. If you choose to play on your instrument, we are going to be using the note concert B flat. So if you play flute or trombone, you're going to play you're just going to play your B flat. If you play clarinet, trumpet, tenor saxophone, you're going to be playing a C. And if you play French horn, you're going to play an F. And if you play alto saxophone, you're going to play a G. So if I'm playing on my note, put my metronome on, it will sound like this. 1, ready, here it is. And keeping in mind that it is ideal if you can have the metronome going the entire time. If you have further questions, make sure you reach out to me. Otherwise, happy counting.